Hi everyone, how are you doing? In this video, we're looking at another example of solving simultaneous equations. And once again, we're using the elimination method. But this time, we do not have a pair of covariables with the same coefficient. So this is the type of example or question where you are required to multiply both equations by, I would say, switch coefficients. So take for example, we are going to eliminate the variable a. That means we need to get the coefficient of a to be the same. How do we do that? We switch the coefficient and multiply by each equation. What do I mean by that? Let's check it out. We're gonna label equation 1, equation 2. Alright, so if we need them to be the same, then we switch the coefficient and multiply. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 5, and we're going to multiply equation 2 by 6. Observe we have 6 up here, but multiply by 5. We have 5 here, multiply by 6. Why is that? We want them to be the same. 5 multiplied by 6 is the same as 6 multiplied by 5. So when we switch them and multiply, we'll end up getting the coefficients to be the same. So remember, it's the entire equation that you're multiplying by this number. So 5 multiplied by 6a, that's 30a. 5 multiplied by 5b, that's 25b. 5 multiplied by 23 equals 115, equation 3. Then we have 6 multiplied by 5a, 30a. 6 multiplied by 3b, it's 18b. And 6 multiplied by 18, that is 108. And let's call that equation 4. Now there are different ways to set out the problem. I prefer to do it this way. We know the variable, the signs of the variables that we are eliminating are the same. So both of them are positive 30a and positive 30a. When they are the same, we subtract the equation. And when we subtract the equation, we are subtracting like terms. So 30a minus 30a is 0. That's gone. 25 minus 18, that is 7b. Don't have to put the plus sign. And 115 minus 108, that is 7. So we want b. Divide both sides by the coefficient of b. So 7 will cancel 7 over there. So that means b is equal to 1 because 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now we are not finished with the problem, right? We have found b, now we need to find a. So we're going to substitute the answer that we get into one of the original equations. So either in equation 1 or equation 2. I'm going to choose equation 2. So that means where b is, we're going to put 1. So equation 2 is 5a plus 3b. Remember, 3b means 3 multiplied by b. So we put the 1 in bracket. So this signifies 3 multiplied by 1. And the rest of the equation, 18. So 5a plus 3 equals 18. In transposition, when you move a term from one side of the equal sign to the other side, you do the opposite. So 5a equals 18 minus 3. 5a equals 15. We divide both sides by the coefficient of a. In this case 5. 5 cancels 5. A equals 3 because 15 divided by 5 is 3. So step 1, choose the variable that you want to eliminate. Use the coefficient of that variable to switch and multiply by the equation. So we were eliminating a. So we use 6 and 5 to multiply by the equation, but we switch them around, right? Then, if the signs are the same, you subtract the equation. If the signs are different, you add the equation and you solve for your first variable. After you have done that, you substitute your answer into one of the original equations and you solve for the second variable. I hope you learned. Feel free to watch the video again and again and again.